Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'll show you this new investment website which comes with a lot of features, be it withdrawal, deposits, referral ranking, and being able to transfer your earnings from your main balance to your profits. Okay, so in this video I'll show you how you can use this website, how this website works, and how you can also set it up for yourself. Alright, so now this is the front page of the website. You can see the content and the images has already been added for you, so no need to worry about all those stuff here. You can see very easy, straight to the point, nothing complicated here. Alright, so this is it. So let me just log into the user side so I can show you how it looks. Okay, alright, so once you log into your account, you will see this dashboard here. You can see that you're in level 1, which is your ranking. You can see your referral link, you can see your account balance, your profit, the time, your username. You can see invest, withdraw, deposit. Here you see your recent transactions here, right? So here you can see your profile, you can change your password, put support tickets, right? So now let me just go through each of the feature of this user site so you can actually see it. So here, all subscriptions, you can see all the subscriptions on this website. So let's just wait for it to load. All right, so these are all the plans on websites. You can see that is the investment package. All this can be controlled from the admin side. So this is the startup plan. You can see the minimum and maximum investment, capital back, yes, return period. You can see all that here. So if you want to go for this first one, just click on invest now. All right, so you just have to enter the amount here. Let's say the minimum is $100, so put in $100 there, then click on invest. Okay, so let's wait for it to show this first message. I can see investment successful. You are supposed to invest $100 on your startup plan. Okay, so that's just how this part works. So here you can see your investment history. You can see this one I did just now. You can see the status already running, and the completed date is not shown yet. So after 1 day to show completed, and I'll get 10% of my investment. Okay, so here is all transactions. You can see all transactions on this website. You can see deposits via ETH. It's actually pending. So let me just make a deposit real quick. So click on deposits. Here you can choose different methods: Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, BNB, and all that. So let me just go for Bitcoin, then enter the amount. Let's say I want to deposit $1,000. Then click on submit your payment proof. Let me just look for payment proof real quick. Okay, then you could just confirm all the details here. Then this is the address you are supposed to make the payment to, this one here. So after doing that, just click on proceed to payment. Alright, you can see deposit successfully. Okay, so once the admin approve your deposit, your account balance will be created automatically. Alright, so that's just that for this particular session. Here you can see your deposit history. Okay, so let me just load that real quick. Alright, so this is my deposit history. You can see the one I did just now with Bitcoin, $1,000, no charge, is currently pending now. Okay, so that's just that for this particular session. Yeah, wallet exchange, you can actually transfer your balance from your main balance to your profit. Okay, so let's say profit, I have no profit here now. You can transfer your profit to your main balance, you understand? Okay, you can just put the amount there and then just click on proceed to exchange and all that. So that's just that for that. So here we have send money. Okay, send money, you can actually send money to a particular user on this particular website. All you just need is just the user's email. Once you put the email here, select the amount, then you can add them on description. Then that's just it. Then click on send money. The user's account will be created automatically. So that's just that for that. Here you have the send money logs. Yeah, you can see your transaction of the money you have sent to a particular user. Here you have your withdrawal. Okay, so let's see, you can choose to withdraw from your main balance or from your profit. So let's say I'll go for my main balance. So select the payment method, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB. So let's say I go for Bitcoin. All I have to do is just to enter my Bitcoin address here, then enter the amount. Once I enter the amount, then I just click on withdraw funds. Okay, so that is that's for that. You can see it's very easy to use. All right, withdrawal of $10 is being processed. Okay, here you see your withdrawal logs. This one here, then ranking bandage. Okay, so this you see when I logged in before, my account was showing level 1 because it's a new account and all that. So you can actually unlock a different rank on this particular website. So let me just show you the process, how you can understand how it works. Okay, now for the beginner, you just use that as sign up. Then amateur, like if you have over $15,000 from the website, then professional, you have in $20,000 from the site. Then this other one here, $25,000 from the website. So that's just a different rank on this particular website. Here you have your referrals, where you can just copy your referral link. Here you see total number of referrals I've gotten and all that. So here you have your rewards. Okay, we have settings. Okay, yeah, you can put your profile picture, edit your name, your first name, your country, gender, date of birth, phone number, state, and all that here. Then just click on save changes. That's it. Here you have support tickets. You can actually open support ticket here. You can just click on create tickets and enter the title, the description, then the image of the issue I have, and then click on add support ticket. So just that for that. Here you have alright, so basically this is everything about the user side. Now I will show you the admin side and show you how the admin can actually control this entire website. Okay, so once you log into the admin, take you straight to the dashboard. Here you can see the total investors, total invested, request withdrawal, total amount withdrawn, total amount deposited here. So this is everything here. Here, user management, click on all users. You can see all the users on this particular website. You can choose to edit their details and delete them, or you can choose to send them a mail if you want, or credit the user and all that. So let me just click on the edit here. You can see all the details. You can choose to update the level of this particular user. Then you can update the profit, the bonus, the main wallet, and all that. You can still change the user's password too and the profile picture. So that's just that for this particular place. Here you can also still credit the user. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can choose to fund the account, so you can click on fund here. You can choose to fund their main balance or their profit. So then select the action credit or debit. So that's just that for that. Here you have manage investments, where you can actually see all the investment that's actually running on this particular website. So this particular one here, this is the one I did. You can still running. I can choose to stop the investment. Choose to stop the investment and the investment to stop giving me profits. So that's just that for this particular place. Here you have the pending deposits. Alright, all the pending deposits on the website, you can choose to approve or actually decline them. So once you approve their deposit, their account balance will be credited automatically, and they will also still get a mail too. Okay, so let's just wait for that to load. Alright, so these are all the pending deposits. So this is the one I did just now, $1,000. So I can choose to approve or actually delete this particular transaction here. So here you can see the completed deposit. That's the deposit you have actually approved. So that's just that for that deposit session. Here you can see your pending withdrawals. So all the withdrawals, okay, on this website, you can see this is the one I did just now. This is my wallet address. All I have to do after sending the payment here, click on approve, and that's just it. So here you can see the completed withdrawal on this particular website. Okay, so here we have the managed plans, all the investment plan on the website. You can click on all plans. Okay, so here you can see the long-term plan, VIP plan, expert plan, startup plan, all that. You can choose to update the details. So let's say you want to change the name, update the percentage, the duration, or the minimum or maximum amount. Then after doing that, just click on update package here. So here you can choose to add a new package if you don't want to edit the one that's in there. Okay, so that's that. And here you have send me to all the users on the website, then send me to a particular user. So that's that. So we have the settings here. You can choose to put your site URL, your site name, the support email, then the referral bonus, which is how many percent they will in. Okay, so it can be 10%, 20%, 30%. It's actually your choice. Then here we have account section where you can actually update your the admin name and the email, then also see change your password. Okay, so basically this is how the admin side actually works, and so it's very easy and straight to the point.